Okay, so first I am cutting off the ends of the sweet potato, and I am peeling off the skin and cutting them into smaller pieces, and then I'm gonna have them boil for just a little bit. Okay, so I just drained the sweet potatoes and they're at a really good consistency. So I'm going to put them in the Vitamix. You could totally use a regular blender for this. You don't need a Vitamix. And then I'm going to put in the maple syrup. And I'm really not measuring the maple syrup. So the recipe calls for about 640 milliliters of coconut milk, but honestly I'm gonna try to just do with this one can. I've got about like 550 milliliters of sweet potatoes here. Okay, so I have the purple sweet potatoes, a can of coconut milk, and maybe about a teaspoon or two of maple syrup, and now we're going to blend this all together. Super beautiful. It's like a lavender color. So now the recipe calls to pour it into a pan and bring it to boil and stir it. It's such a pretty color, I can't get over it. So now I'm just waiting for it to come to a boil, and it's starting already. Such a beautiful color. Seriously, like lavender. Alright, so I'm just going to put a lid on this, and then I'm going to put it in the freezer and let it freeze overnight, and we'll see what it tastes like tomorrow.
Okay, so here we have the finished product. It froze overnight, and it took a very long time to thaw just to be able to scoop it out. But it looks so beautiful. It's like a beautiful lavender color.
Alright you guys, this tastes so good. So now I'm going to put the camera down and finish it off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and try this recipe. It's so awesome. Thanks, bye.